I am Shiling Zhang and I joined Victrex in November 2018. I am currently working as a senior technologist on research and development programs of trauma plates. Victrex pioneers and shapes the future performance through continuous research and development programs and has always been well known for its race for quality approach. All of this make me feel valued and want to work for and continue working for Victrex. It has been a wonderful experience. I've been encountering different problems every day and trying to solve them is what excites me as well. In addition to this, is the wonderful colleagues and managers that I have been working with. They are friendly, supportive and always there to help. I work in the medical strategic business unit and more specifically on trauma plate. And this is something that I believe in is going to be the game changer in the fracture fixation industry because of its advantage, radiolucency and ability to give the patient a better healing experience. And this ability to make a difference is exactly what excites me the most working at Victrex. I have worked closely with academia, industry and NHS surgeons and clinicians. I have also received development opportunities such as I worked towards the chartered engineer at IMACI and I've successfully achieved it. I received an incredible amount of support from so many of my colleagues. All of their support has made it possible for me to achieve what I have achieved today. They are friendly, supportive and fun to work with. In the next couple of years, I would hope that I would continue to improve my area of expertise. In the meantime, I'm also hoping that I can be promoted and taking more responsibilities and be able to contribute more. I have received the opportunity to apply and work towards the chartered engineer from IMACI, which I successfully did. And I have also received various quality management trainings as well as softer skills such as presentation and influencing skills. They have improved my professional competency as well as my personal confidence. Victrex welcomes applicants from all backgrounds with various skills, so please just apply and you will not regret it. Innovation, quality, sustainability, inclusion and diversity. Just ask away your questions, learn more and grow.